Hi, this is Martin on a Quick Mortgage Minute. Thank you for spending a couple seconds with me here today. Please don't forget to like and share the channel. Also, if you would like to contact me directly, you can reach me directly on my cell phone, which is 714-616-2809. So you probably heard, it's pretty rampant in the news right now that the Dream for All, the 20% down payment program is coming back, and they have scheduled it for April of 2024 for it to come back. Some of the details, some of the both has been posted on the Calhfa website. One is you have to have a certified loan officer or lending company that participates in the program, and that would be us. The other thing is that it's going to be a voucher, so it looks like they're going to open up those vouchers come April. They don't know, they didn't say how they're going to pick some of these people, your applicants, but it's going to be a voucher process. Last year, about 2,100 families or individuals were able to get the benefit of the Dream for All program. So I anticipate that it probably will only be around 2,500 families or individuals that will be able to get the benefit from it this year as well too. I know that there is some income restrictions if depending on the amount that you have to pay back. So an example, if you make over a certain threshold in the county, you may have to pay back the 20% plus the 20% appreciation. If you make under a threshold, you may only have to pay back 15%. So there's some details. We would love to inform you more about it. We have experience doing this last year. So like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you and have a great day.